Well, the day has finally arrived. It's Electric Canuck. Welcome to another video. This is just going to be a quick one. FSD Beta Canada. I am so excited. You could probably hear the trembling in my voice. We've waited so long for this. I just downloaded the update today. I'm hoping all of the folks in Canada who have FSD, who have purchased it or will purchase it, are going to get this. And it's not just a select few or something like that. So I'm literally just in the car after downloading the update. And let's take a look. We can see the release notes here. Request full self-driving beta. Let's do this together. How do we do this? This is, yeah. Okay, so let's read the instructions. You know, Electric Canuck, formerly Tesla Canuck, I have a problem with reading directions. So let's read the directions. I'm just so excited. You know, I apologize, but wow. Okay, so full self-driving beta pending eligibility. To get started, tap controls, autopilot, request full self-driving. Okay, so now we're going to go over to our autopilot settings, and here's the button, the magic button, the magic moment. We're going to do this together. All right, limited early access full self-driving beta. You guys have probably seen this 1,000 times from the folks down in the US, but you know, yeah, we're seeing it here in Canada for the first time, so I'm going to savor it. So basically, it's just like a little agreement here. You have to accept the terms. I don't know if anyone's actually going to read the terms. I am not. I am just going to select them all, and I'm going to accept. And then it says you are enrolled in full self-driving beta queue. Press again to opt out. And so if it's similar to the US, I guess I have to go and drive 100 miles and get a 100% score. So I'll go out for a drive later today, and then I'm just going to park the car for a week if I can. And hopefully by this time next week, I'll actually be showing you some awesome Canadian content, full self-driving. Thank you very much for watching the videos on my channel. I really appreciate it, and I can't wait to show you more FSD Beta Canada content. Electric Canuck, over and out.